Tired of those annoying ads popping up on your Xiaomi device? No more worries. In this video, I'll show you how to seamlessly block ads on your Xiaomi phone using AdGuard. So let's start without wasting any time. First of all, open the Settings app on your Xiaomi phone. Then scroll down a little and tap on Connection and Sharing. After that, tap on Private DNS. Then select Private DNS Provider host name from these options. Next, tap on these empty field and type in dns.adguard.com. After that, hit the save button, and that's it. From now on, you will see no ads on your Xiaomi device. So guys, that's how you block ads on your Xiaomi phone with AdGuard. If the video was useful, don't forget to hit the like button. Want more Xiaomi phone related tips and tricks? Subscribe to the channel because I've got tons more coming. As always, thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!